Alright, we're going to go through just a basic older style Polaris belt change. This one happens to be a Big Boss 6x6, and I do have more stuff removed than you need to, but I have other service that I was performing on this machine. So in this case there's 7 bolts or screws going around the clutch cover. I have them all out except for this last one here. I'll zip this off. There are 5 long bolts and 2 short ones. I like to just use a little impact driver with a lot of extensions. This is a wobble extension on the end. These bottom ones kind of get tough. So all this stuff has already been loosened. Remove the clutch cover. Inspect the gasket. This one, the gasket was actually pinched and wore, so I have to replace that later. So, making sure your transmission's in neutral. I like to just grab the bottom of the belt, careful not to pinch my fingers, and then I rotate this way, counterclockwise. Simple as that. The old belts usually come off a lot easier than the new ones go on. So here it is, here's the part number. The Polaris recommends that the lettering or the writing is facing you when it's on the machine. Installation of the new belt. Start on the primary here. Wrap around the bottom of the secondary. Get it as far as you can. And then watch out, don't pinch your fingers. Just keep working it. Primary a little bit. And the secondary a little bit. Watch out for this binding, it likes to happen. Almost there. And that's it. It's on there. Sits nice and high above the secondary because it's new. And then reinstall your clutch cover and you're good to go. Break in the belt according to factory procedures. That's it.